Hi, I'm going to show you how to transfer files to and from Dardel, which is the HPC cluster at PDC and Stockholm, using the tool called FileZilla. And I'll be following the documentation now. It's the UpMax documentation. We'll probably move to the PDC documentation. So transferring files, let's take a look at the procedure, right? How many steps there are. So here we have 1, 2, 3, create some files. 3, upload a file, start FileZilla, start file manager, add new site, set up the site, connect the site, ready to transfer. So that's a lot of steps. That's 8 steps. The beauty is, if you have set this up, you can always use FileZilla to transfer files to and from Dardel. But you need to set it up once. And but that's also how Dardel works. You have to upload your SSH key. We'll be doing this here too. And then you'll not be asked for a password. Alright, so this procedure is at the moment only tested on Linux, so I'm going to walk you through it. Let's see if we can get it to work. I'm just going to follow the steps. So let's install this tool. So we need putty tools for some reason. Let's do that. There. I'll put it here to the right and I'll put this to the left. There. So I've copy pasted this line of text to there. Next step, create the files, the needed files in this SSH folder. Sure, let's do that. With Ctrl+Shift+V you paste to a terminal. And then I need to do this from a terminal. Sure. I'm going to copy paste the filled in example. I like that better. I do need to fill in my username, which is not Sven Svensson, it's Richelby. There. And this generates a ppk file. There. And from that ppk file, which we'll be uploading in FileZilla later, we need to extract the key. So let's do that there. And because I used the example, this will work. And again, I also need to extract another key. I need this the public key. And there. Public key is all generated now. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the files. So there they are. So we have the private key, the public key, and the ppk file, which is a putty type of file that we'll be using in FileZilla. Next step is we need to upload the public key, which is this key, into the PDC login portal. So I'm going to do this now. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Like I'm gonna go to the PDC login portal. I'll do this in a new tab that I'll extract here. I'll be uploading the public key to the SSH portal. You need to log in. This link brings you to here. I need to log in via super. Let's do that. Yeah, sure. Now we need our super time limited one-time password. Let's take a look. I need to open my app for that. My super thing it is 996837. There. I need to prove my identity PDC. And here we can see my keys that I have uploaded at PDC at the moment. And I'm going to add a new key, which is at the bottom. There. I'm going to choose the file. And I know it is in the folder .ssh there, and there I take the Dardel FileZilla public key. There. I save, and it has been added. So that's great, because this allows FileZilla to actually connect to PDC. I can close this now. I'll make the documentation a bit bigger. And then we move to the next step, starting FileZilla. So FileZilla, here it started. There. Here we have FileZilla. I put it to the right. I put the documentation at the left. FileZilla at the right. Documentation at the left. Start FileZilla's site manager. That's here, File Site Manager. And then I need to create a new site. I will call it Dardel. That's not very original of me, but it's maybe I shouldn't. The protocol should be SFTP. The host should be this thing. there. The login type is a key file. The user is Mary Shelby. The key file is a .ppk file. Let's get there. .ssh. There we already see it. There. And that's it. Let's connect. That's the next thing. Click on connect. And now it's connecting. I trust my friends at PDC. And now it is connecting, and you'll see it will work in a second soon. Let's take a look if there's a file we can upload. Yeah, we're going to upload this Python file. You already see that there's Dardel login 1 pdckteach.se. I'm just now looking for my files, and there are my files. Yeah, home. It shall be that this is me. It already showed me where it is, and now I'm gonna go. This is my home folder. I'm gonna upload. You can do this by right click and press upload, for example. There, now setup will arrive at the other side. Let's take a look. There we have setup. 103 kilobytes, 103 kilobytes. Let's download this screenshot. Download, like right mouse button, and you get it. And now I have the screenshot downloaded on my local computer. So this concludes this video. It was a lot of steps, but I have shown you how to transfer files to and from Dardel using FileZilla. With that, I wish you a very good day. Bye!